product and package have to work together, and they have to go through a number of different kinds of distribution environments, can't we recognize that somehow in the testing lab?
ASTM D4169 was an attempt to bring the simulation type of testing to a higher and more significant level.
When they started conceptualizing 4169, which was going to be an all-encompassing testing protocol. And so depending upon your distribution environment, this is the dynamics that went on, this is the kind of testing, the sequence you did that in.
The significance of that particular standard was that it lent a lot of credibility to things that hadn't been that credible before, because it combined both the theoretical portion and the actual simulation portion of a test procedure in a way that, yeah, I understand that, and yeah, it makes sense to me, so it has credibility in and of itself.
It took many years. I don't think it actually became a standard until '82. It was a small group of people that really knew what was going on.
And of course that was the brainchild primarily of Dennis Young, but Dennis was the one who really had his feet into the more scientific testing from his days at Michigan State and his work in the field. And so I attribute most of that to his genius, and I think that's the right term. And every time I run a test like that or quote it, things like that, I get this little smile face from D. Young in the back of my head, because I think that's his legacy, and it's significant. It's significant in the time that it took to create it, but most of all in what it does for it.
4169, it fulfilled what we needed in the fact that it gave testing protocols that people could go in and adopt in their corporate standards that incorporated the new technology.
I think it's hard to underplay that significance because it's just so widely used, widely recognized, and it truly is a global standard. It works very well.
It's underutilized, in my opinion.